All right, first things first, you just grab the bottom. You flip the legs out. I paid for about $32 for this, which I have a lot of tons of scrap wood, and I like sitting in my driveway. So I thought, well, why not just buy a little something I can get rid of the wood, cook my dinner as I'm sitting outside. And so here's your base. Nice, and it snaps together, like the legs come out and snap, lock in. So it's really nice. So I would imagine now you take the bottom. It's got little bitty grooves. So you find the side panels that have the little slots. You just slide it in and kind of leave it like that. Find the other side. You find the other side. You get the holes, line them up. Just hold it like that. So now you grab the front, and it doesn't matter what side it's on because it's just got two little hooks, one on each side, on both sides. So you just slide this in, hooks in. You can set it down and just slide the other hook on. So now you got three sides. Basically, it's, look how easy this is, even for a handicapped person. Now I'm sliding the next one on. Oops, let's leave that off. So here it is, all four sides put together. Just put it down onto the base. Then it'll look like that. Then here's the top. So here's the top. You just put the top on there, just keeps it all together. Then you can flip. Let me flip this around there.